We're doing a math tutorial on trig. This is 3.1 solving right triangles and SOH CAH TOA. Now in SOH CAH TOA you want to find either the angle or the side, and you tell this by the capital letters are the angles and the lowercase letters are the sides, and the lowercase letters are always across from the matching letter. For example, big B is across from little b. And you also want to make sure you know positioning. So take angle B for instance. The hypotenuse is always going to be little c. And then you can have adjacent or opposite. They're kind of flipped here, but this is opposite to B and this is adjacent to B. So let's just dive right into this. So the sine of an angle is always y over r. It's the leg opposite over the hypotenuse. Cosine is x over r, which is adjacent over hypotenuse. And tangent is y over x, which is opposite over adjacent, which is SOH CAH TOA. SOH CAH TOA. Alright, what's going on? We're going for our SOH CAH TOA part 2 tutorial here. Now we're going to solve here for angle A. Now, here we're going to use tan, which is opposite over adjacent, HOA. So we're going to go tan x equals opposite 8 over adjacent 13. Now for this, you're going to want to take your calculator. You're going to want to go tan -1 8 over 13. We're going to go second tan 8 divided by 13, enter, and that's your answer. Angle A equals 31.61 because we're going to round in the second decimal. There you go. Now I'm going to give you a little bit of time to do this next one by yourself. Alright, so on this next one we're solving for angle A again. So we're going to do opposite over hypotenuse. So we're going to use sine. So we're going to go opposite, which is 5, over hypotenuse, which is 10. So we're going to go sine x equals 5 over 10. We're going to put in sine of -1, then 5 over 10. Grab that calculator, hit the clear, sine -1, 5 divided by 10, enter, get 30. That's the answer for A. Alright, now we're going to be solving for a side, that delicious tuna. We're going to get side A. So for this, it's more of a fractional, more algebra here, so let's just jump in. So here we're going to be using opposite over hypotenuse, so we're going to go sine 72 A over 18. And then we're going to multiply both sides by 18. Get 18 sine 72. Just plug that right in. A equals 17.11 or 12 round. Give you a little bit of time to do this next one by yourself, and then we'll hop right back to it. Alright, we're hopping right back into this here. We're going to hit this up. We're solving for side C this time. So here we're going to want to use angle A, which is going to be opposite over hypotenuse again. So we're going to do sine 72 equals opposite, so 35 over hypotenuse, which is c. So here we're going to multiply both sides by c, trying to get c alone, so c sine 72 equals 35. We're going to divide both sides by sine 72. We're going to put it right in our calculator, so we're going to go 35 divided by sine 72, hit that, got 36.8 equals C. That's it for this tutorial, boys. Remember, eat your tuna.